Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will be talking about OpiPets. This video is not a financial advice, it is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so please do your own research. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of OpiPets. You can access it by going to opipets.io. It is a free to play and earn game. It is essentially an economy based model where you can customize your players. They have 60 individually hand-drawn characters and thousands of cosmetic and battle items. You can challenge your friends, vanquish foes, you can complete various tasks and explore the world, buy, trade, sell items, and make a lot of money by playing this game. If you want to make money through this game, you can also become an entrepreneur in Opiverse. So over here you can buy, sell, trade your success in this economy. They have thousands of items over there for you to purchase and sell it to the other players in your own shop, and that way you can make a lot of money in this game. You can breed, customize the best OpiPet, and you can also challenge your friends and stake PvP matches, so that way you can become champion. The other way you can become a champion is through defeating enemies in dungeons and finding rare treasures out there. You can also master various mini games and leaderboards. You can set up your own shop and dominate the economy. They have over 10 different biomes so that you can explore, and NPCs that you can interact with, so you'll find something new every time you visit this game. They have traverse the dungeons and acquire rare loot with thousands of items to discover and various minions and bosses that you can conquer. We have breed the best, which is where you can find and use rare eggs which would be scattered around this Opiverse. They do have a lot of varieties and rarities available, so you'll never be able to breed an identical pet, so that is a good thing. And you can choose how to level your OpiPet in the training school with different variations, and you can also raise these pets as you see fit. This is actually a very interesting story that is waiting for, the people out there to be discovered. They have motion comics, sketches, videos, hidden Easter eggs. So that is really exciting. They have over 20 arcade games, so you can enjoy, earn tokens by playing these games. You can challenge yourself. You can work with, the top of the leaderboards, your friends, and you will be rewarded for all of your efforts. The game is supposed to be launched in the Q4 of 2022. However, you can also participate in it right now by getting a slice of the pie, meaning you can earn those governance token by playing this mini games. So you can play your way to having stake it in the Opti game, and you can submit your scores out there and you can watch all your tokens roll in. So over here we have these little games that you can check out. So when I click this, I will be redirected to this page where I can get more insight into all the mini games available right now. The best thing is you can create unique and personalized NFTs, so that's really good. So you can customize skin, textures, the colors it has, the variables. They have 25,000 variables, which is really cool, so that way each of the OpiPet will be unique. Here's the roadmap of the company. In the 2022 Q1, we were focusing on creating the concept of the game, lore development, private equity investment, creating the team itself, smart contract deployment and testing, and we were growing our community members from 0 to 15,000. In the 2023 Q2, the focus will be on launching the V1 version of the website. They'll be focusing on cinematic trailer production, blockchain and commercial partnership, market making agreement, external legal review of tokens, private funding round shall take place, and the aim is to get 65,000 community members. In the 2024 and Q3, the focus will be on relaunching the website. The cinematic trailer would release. The token will be public for pre-sale. There will be alpha and beta testing whitelist. Partnerships would happen, with various marketers out there. There will be a launchpad partnership announcement. Project promotion would happen at the NFT NYC London. In 2025 Q4, there will be full OpiPet game release. Android and iOS beta V2 shall launch. They will try to source land in Metaverse, and the team will expand to include various in-house game developers. So quite exciting stuff coming soon. And over here you can see the team working behind the project. So we have Jordan, who is the COO, we have Vince, who is a marketing director, we have Adam, who is a CTO of the company, we have Prav, who is a lore master, we have Elliot, who is a marketing manager, we have Rafi, who is the head of Opiverse, and so on. They have partnered with IGDA, MLC, Crypto Curry Club, so that's really exciting. That just shows more credibility to this project. Also, if you want to play this game, you kind of have to make a payment just to participate in it. You can also earn the OP tokens simply by playing arcades, battling, exploring the dungeons, buying items. So really good way. And eventually once you get that, you can also breed, train, customize your characters and sell them on the open market and make some more money. This game will be released on Q4 of 2022, so watch out for that. Their team consists of people with background in gaming corporations, animation studios, fintech companies, things like Universal, Pixar, KPMG, and so much more. Here is a trailer of OpiPet, and I feel it's really cool they have created this trailer. It just gives more insight into, what you should expect. So I definitely recommend you to check it out. It's just going to give you more insight into the game and how it works. When it comes to the mini games, one of the things you should know is that they offer 20 mini games that you can enjoy, and the best part is that you can earn governance token as well. The really good thing about the mini game is that they have 50 of them so far, so that's really good, which allows the players out there to enjoy different varieties of games, so you will never get bored. When there will be a full release of OpiPets, the players out there will be able to play these games as many times as they want. However, when it comes to submitting a score, they can do it only 3 times per day. For now, you'll earn the governance token, which will be transitioning into utility token as we become closer to the release of the game. Next, we have battling, which is a turn-based game, and over here player gets to go first, which is decided on random basis. And if you want to win in this game, you have to do it by making the opposing pet lose all of its HP and forcing it to concede. There are kind of 2 modes of battling in this game. So we have PvP and PvE, and both of them would use the same battling mechanics. Each pet out there would be having an inventory, and they would have 10 slots that can be filled with battle items. The pet stats can be amplified, or you can alter it with the items from the inventory itself, and these items would have a cooldown, so the player can also strategize and find the right moment to use them so that they can achieve victory. Now let's talk a bit more about lore. So in 2008, there was a physicist and an engineer who was working on a research project, and when he was doing that, he actually came across a living digital domain in the blockchain, and he called it Opiverse. He was figuring out ways to access this domain, and when he failed to find a method, he tried to share this finding with other researchers around the world. After doing that, he got funding and help from various people and geniuses around the world, which led to the opening of this digital domain. When they were doing that, they landed on a digital planet, and they called that Opus I, which is a dodecahedron shaped world within Opiverse. It contains 12 distinct biomes, 10 active and flourishing, but there are 2 inactive and uninhabitable due to intervention and disruption which has been caused by expedition members. So that's a little bit about lore, and essentially you'll see 4 main games. You'll see an arcade game, you'll see questing daily tasks, you will see PvE dungeons and solo campaigns, and you'll see player owned shops. Here is the Twitter page of OpiPets. They do have a following of 36.7k members, which is really nice and impressive. So definitely worth checking out. I really like this game. I feel this one has a lot of potential. So check out all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in my next one. Bye now.